Hello, we have this exponential problem. This is 81 power x equals x power 18. We are solving for the value of x that satisfies this equation. Now, we are going to consider two different methods. So let's start with this first method. I'm going to make use of log. So take log of 81 power x equals log x power 18. So if you have log a power p, this equals p times log a. So the x will come behind log and 18 also will come behind log. As x times log 81 equals 18 times log x. Now, remember that 18 here or 81 here is 9 power 2. So I can express this as x times log of 9 to the power of 2. And this equals 18 times log x. So what I can do again is remember the property log a power p equals p times log a. The 2 come behind this. So what we are going to have will be 2 times x, that is 2x times log 9 equals 18 times log x. So can decide to divide this by x and divide this by x. X eliminate x here. So I will have 2 times log 9 equals 18 times log x divided by x. So I can also divide this part of the equation or the part of this equation by 18. So I'll divide this by 18 and also divide this by 18. 18 eliminates 18, right? So at this particular point here, the 2 will cancel itself once and cancel this, we have 9. Have you seen that? So we are going to have log 9 divided by 9 equals log x divided by x. And from here, that means since we have 9 here, we have 9 and we have x here, we have x. So that means x equals what? 9. This is one method of solving this exponential problem. Let's consider another method of solving this. So we have method 2. And this is 81 power x equals x power 18. Now we are going to start by eliminating this x. So we are going to multiply this exponent by 1 over x. I have 81 power x. This is raised to the power of 1 over x equals x power 18. And this is raised to the power of what? 1 over x. So consider this identity. Here you have a power n to the power of m equals a power n times m. So this x multiply this x here. I'm going to have 81 power 1, that's what is left here, equals x power 18 times 1, that's 81 divided by x. Now, if you observe, there's still 18 here. So we need to eliminate this 18. So to achieve that, I'm going to multiply the exponent of this by 1 over 18. So I have 81 power 1 over 18. That will multiply 1, it will still give us 1 over 18 equals x power 18 divided by x. And this is to the power of 1 over what? 18, because we are trying to eliminate this 18. Now, I will have 81 power 1 over 18 equals x power 18 times 1 plus 18 divided by x times 18. We have 18x, because remember, a power n raised to the power of n equals a power n times n. So 18 eliminates 18. I have 81 power 1 over 18 equals x power 1 over x. Now, 81 here is a perfect square. I can express it as 9 to the power of 2. And this is to the power of 1 over 18. And this equals x power 1 over x. And don't forget, a power n to the power of n equals a power n times n. I'll multiply this out. I have 9 power 2 times 1, that is 2 over 18, equals x power 1 over x. So from here, to cancel itself once, cancel this, we have 9. So you have 9 power 1 over 9 equals x power 1 over x. Now, if you have a power 1 over a, and this equals b power 1 over b, that means you can compare these exponents. You can have your 1 over a equals 1 over b. And when you cross multiply, a times 1, that is a, equals b times 1, that is b. So you come over here, 1 over 9 equals 1 over x. Cross multiply, x times 1, x 9 times 1, you have 9. In any of the methods, we are still having the same solution, which is 9. Look at the first method and look at the second method. Have you seen that? So the next thing we are going to do, we are going to check if this value actually satisfies the equation. We have 81 power x equals x power 18, and our x equals what? 9. So that means 81 power 9 equals 9 power 18. Now, 9 is a perfect square. So we have 9 power 2, which is 81 is a perfect square, which is 9 power 2. And this is raised to the power of 9 equals 9 power 18. And if you know a power x raised to the power of y equals a power x times y. So 2 times 9 is 18. We have 9 power 18 equals 9 power 18. This and this are the same. So guys, this is it, and this is how you solve this exponential problem and finding all values of x. So that is it. Thank you and goodbye. See you again in our next video. Bye-bye.